3 ways to become a better you. All of us dream of self-betterment. All of us imagine versions of ourselves that are more badass, more successful, more confident, and more attractive. In fact, this is one of the most common tropes that you see in the movies. Characters in films, books, and TV will almost always go through a kind of transformation at some point, or realization that sees them emerging stronger and greater than before. This is the apotheosis in Joseph Campbell's monomyth, and it is a clear sign that a drive for growth is ingrained deeply in the human psyche. So, how do you go about becoming that better you, super you? In this presentation, we'll explore 3 strategies that can make a huge difference. 1. Become stronger. An easy way to upgrade yourself is to become physically stronger through weight training. This has a profound impact on you as a person. First, becoming stronger will improve your appearance, your confidence, and your attractiveness. On top of that, being stronger will make you more formidable in combat and better able to take care of yourself. You'll become better at sports. You'll improve your metabolism by altering your hormones, and you'll be more handy whether you're moving furniture or opening jars. 2. Meditate. Just as you should strengthen your body, so too should you strengthen your mind. Meditation will help you to better react to stressful events, to increase your IQ and your concentration, and to increase the very size and weight of your brain, the most important parts at least. This is a transformative practice and something that everyone should engage in. 3. Learn. The other crucial thing that you can do to become a better version of yourself is to keep learning. Keep learning and discovering, and you will keep your brain in a plastic state, constantly growing and making it much easier for you to take on new skills, while fortifying you against age-related cognitive decline. Learning means reading books and taking courses. It means learning languages, instruments, and skills like engineering. These skills will each give you new abilities that in themselves will make you a more useful individual and more self-sufficient. But at the same time, learning should also mean learning through travel, through experience. If you get yourself out into the open world and explore, you will gain a more rounded personality, a broader view of the world, and deeper understanding.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.